Hello class 6. Today in this video I am going to start with a new chapter from your English Rapid. As you know that you had 4 chapters in your previous exam, and we are going to start with the chapter number 5 for the next exam. So the name of the chapter is Haley Arrives Next Morning. So you will get this chapter in the page number 30. So please take out the book and turn to page number 30. And before starting the class, I would like to just give a very short recapitulation about the previous chapters. So what we had seen in this novel, in the first 4 chapters, we saw that Mr. Haley and Mr. Shelby, both of them talking together. Who was Mr. Haley and who was Mr. Shelby? Mr. Shelby was the owner, and he was a very good and kind-hearted man, and he was, unfortunately, he was selling one of his favorite slave to Mr. Haley. Mr. Haley was a trader, and Mr. Haley actually came to Mr. Shelby's house to take Uncle Tom, who was a very good slave, and not only Uncle Tom, but also he liked a little boy who was the son of Eliza. Eliza was also a slave of Mr. Shelby. So unfortunately, Mr. Shelby had to sell his slaves. He never did it before, but it was the first time for him that he was selling his dearest slaves. On the other hand, we can see that Mrs. Shelby was a very generous and kind woman, and she did not want to allow her husband to sell any of her slaves. Eliza, who was the mother of that little boy, so she got to know that her son would be sold. So one day she took her son and she was about to elope from the place. So at first she went to Uncle Tom's house, and then she told the incident, she narrated the incident, and Uncle Tom did not, that he was reluctant to move away from that place because he was thinking about his master's condition. So Uncle Tom, who was a very, very pious and very hardworking and very good in nature, he told that he was staying with his he would follow his master's words. So he was staying in the hut. On the other hand, we see that Eliza was just moving away from that place because she wanted to rescue her only little son. By that incident, when this incident happened, after next day, Mr. Haley, who was the trader, he came to take Uncle Tom and that little boy. Okay, so what happened that time? Now we are going to read. So I am reading from page number 30. Please look at this page. Mr. and Mrs. Shelby got up later than usual next morning. "I wonder what is keeping Eliza away," she exclaimed when several pulls to her bell did not bring her. She sent Andy, the houseboy who had brought shaving water for her husband, to look for her. He came back in a few minutes. So what had happened? Next morning, when Eliza came to know about the incident that her son would be sold, so next morning when Mr. Shelby and Mrs. Shelby woke up from their sleep, so Mrs. Shelby, generally what did she do? She always calling her dearest slave, that means Eliza, so she was also calling her. So unfortunately, from Eliza's end, it was Mrs. Shelby did not get any answer. So Mrs. Shelby was worried about that. So she told Andy. Andy was another servant and another slave who was serving Mr. Shelby. So she told Andy that to go Eliza's place and that means got the news what happened to Eliza. Okay. So Andy went and he came back within some minutes. Lord Missy, Lizzie's drawers are all open and her things are scattered everywhere. I think she has run away. So Andy, who was the slave, another slave of Mr. Shelby, he came back within few minutes and he was giving the news to Mrs. Shelby that Eliza was not being found out. Okay. So what happened then? He did not know. Only Andy told, Andy informed Mrs. Shelby that he could not able to find out Eliza. Okay. And what happened there, that Lizzie's drawers means here, that means Eliza's drawers were everything was scattered and he could not find out where was Eliza and her little son. Only Andy came back and he was giving the information to Mrs. Shelby. The truth dawned upon both husband and wife, so she had suspected and has run away, said Mr. Shelby. So what happened when that news Mr. Shelby and Mrs. Shelby got that Eliza moved away from the place. So what happened then? The truth dawned upon both husband and wife. So the truth that Eliza ran with her son and she eloped from that place. So both husband and wife was very much surprised. So she had suspected and has run away, said Mr. Shelby. Shelby told that maybe Eliza suspected that Eliza came to know that her son would be sold and that's why Eliza ran away with her son. Thank God, said Mrs. Shelby. Mrs. Shelby told that she was very that she was satisfied with the announcement that Eliza ran away. She did not like that idea that Eliza's son would be sold. So he did not approve the thing that Eliza's son would be sold also. So she told several times to her husband that whatever may be the consequence she could that means face, but don't allow that little boy to be sold. Okay. So her husband Mr. Shelby did not able to do anything, only he had to sell little boy. But the thing is that Mrs. Shelby here, she was very much that Mrs. Shelby was relaxed at the moment because she did not like the idea that the little boy would be sold. So when she got the news that Eliza, who was the a mother of a son, so when she got the news that Eliza ran away with her son, so she told that she was very happy. So she was actually praising the God that what has happened for that. Okay. Mr. Shelby got annoyed with his wife, as it would be difficult to make Haley believe that he had played no part in her running away with the child. It was also a matter of honor. He rushed out and soon chaos broke out. What happened? So Mr. Shelby, who was the owner, he was little bit annoyed. Why he was annoyed? Actually, the thing is that at the first we saw that he was a very kind-hearted man. He was a very kind-hearted man, but he could not do anything. He had to sell his slaves because of that. That means unavoidable circumstances. So when she got the news that Eliza ran away with her son, so obviously Mr. Shelby was very much annoyed. Why? Because he knew that Mr. Haley would not believe this incident, and Mr. Haley, maybe he would think that for this elopement, maybe that that man, that means Mr. Shelby, was responsible. Maybe Mr. Haley could think that Mr. Shelby helped Eliza to move away from the place. Okay. So it was also a matter of honor. So Mr. Shelby was not at all happy, because it was not only that, but also it was a matter of honor. He gave his words that he would sell little Harry. Harry means here the Eliza's son. Okay. So Mr. Shelby thought that it was a lose of that means he was losing his honor. That why? Because once he had once he had given his words, but now he was unable to fulfill his promise to Mr. Haley. That's why it was a matter of honor also. He rushed out and soon chaos broke out. So he left the room, and after that a chaos broke out. A chaos means here that disorder. That means all people were there and they were gossiping, and they were telling to each other that that Eliza ran away with her son, and what would happen to them, and what would happen to their masters and everyone. So there was a chaos was going on.